Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and anytime you are come across this video, guys. I'm very happy today. Do you know why? I'm very happy. Hey, I did dance. Do you know what I just saw on my letterbox? I should bring it out. Do you want to see it? Guys, I just see my go-go artist. You see? I better take my picture. When I take my picture, guys, you see? Let me just say a little ways. Guys, when I started this YouTube, I started February, March, April, I got monetized. May, after 1 month, I see my Google AdSense. You see, it's not easy. People will look down on you when you are coming. All those, I don't know, everybody is equal. I take like me. I look everybody equal, but some people will take you down because I don't know why. It's not that they know the thing. They don't even know. They will pretend that they know. They don't know anything. When I started this YouTube, people will start mocking me. Which kind of video they put? When you call some of your friends, I beg, please help me. I just upload a video, help me. Because I beg you, they go, which video you they put? I beg, I don't feel wash. You don't wash my own finish. So when every day YouTube self, they will say they don't know how to wash them. But now they wash home video, they will say they don't know how to wash them. I can say, okay, no problem. But I keep on pushing. I already make up my mind, say this YouTube, I don't start and no more going back. Even though people look down on me, I will keep pushing. I will keep moving. They will, even though I've seen a lot of things in this YouTube, I understand that this YouTube, jealousy day. Jealousy, it did this YouTube. And number two, make I tell you now, my brothers and sisters, not be by view. View not be anything. If now 100 view you get, just pray, may God let that view genuine. If may they watch your video genuinely, may they not even script your adverts. Because if you get 1,000 view, people will go watch and not reach 100. Will go say, me wait, may your video play finish. You know reach 100. But me may get 100 and they get 200. But people when they watch me, I thank you now. God will bless you now. As soon as they watch my video, and they see money because they watch me with their hearts. I thank those who when I drop video, they don't reach there. God will bless you now. All my subscriber. Now make me reach where I did today. If not be now, who be me? Who be Lovette Family TV? I appreciate you now. As soon as they come, they watch my video. Anytime I just drop my video, the people will love me. They don't run reach there. Now God will bless you now. My old subscriber, my new subscriber, and those I know more are still coming. God will continue to bless you guys. And what people are looking for, those are in the youth, those are also in YouTube. God will also lift you up in the mighty name of Jesus. Anytime when I drop video, people will love me. They don't reach there. They don't watch my video because they use their hearts, and they also they go watch them. When they drop video, and they name the number one, I don't reach there. I don't watch them because I know they use all those kind of people they play. When they just see your notification, they don't run come. But when some go see and they go ever put themselves, they go back. Which kind of video be this one? I thank those. Even though whenever they watch my video, I thank you now. God will bless you. Now say maybe one day. When I go see come, when I go use una art till they watch my video. I appreciate everybody. I just want to make I can't tell when I say people when just they knew they come, so I not give up. Even though people they look down on now. People they say, I beg you, which video you know sabi edit? Me, I know sabi edit too. When I start, me I know say they laugh me. Even some people say if I ever give them, if I put video, they not go watch. They'll say I beg, see the edit. I not give up. I not give up. I keep on pushing. Thank God. My husband go say, Duma. If you even though they laugh, if you made mistake, I will tell you where you made mistake. The next time if you want to do the video, you correct that place. And my two lovely ladies, Precious and United Family. When I go upload, you go say, Lovette, this place, you're not doing well. Next time, try me, you make that place, they okay. I'll say, okay, I go take their advice. You see, I too appreciate them. Even though and the moment they drop my video, they don't reach there and they be number one. And I still say me, I advise people when they need they come. Even though people look down, even though you not get viewers, they go. You know, me I not get view 100 view for one video. If it's too much, 200. Go see. I never ever get 1K for any of my video. I never get 1K, but I have this, guys. I have it. God don't bless me. They say, oh God don't bless. No man can break it down. You see, God already blessed me. I don't get view. No, if I too get view for my video, 200, 100. I don't get my family and my lovely ladies and those who like me for this YouTube. Those when I see they watch their video, when they say I just still drop my video, don't see reach. Now they make me reach where I did today. Now make me call tell and say no be by view. So people get 1K, but I know how much I dey see for one video. Yes, I know how much. I know how much I dey see for one video. You see, not be by view. You say not by view. Therefore, don't even send this one for me under 1 month, under 3 months in YouTube. Before under 3 weeks, I get my 1,000 subscriber. In 1 month, I get my 4,000. The other month, they monetize me. After 1 month again, they give me my go AdSense. Why I no go dance? Why I no go do shakara? Why I no go smile? I go smile. Yesterday, when I just open, I just say me I take my children out. Now I see this thing. Now I see her. You see? You see, Lovette, your video not good. Your life, Lovette, this and that. Lady, you see where I don't do today. Before when I reach where me I did here now, I don't move forward. Not be by view, my brothers and sisters. View na just nothing for this YouTube. People they complain. Even me go even they ask questions. Me not even know say the one people when me they answer. Me I know I pass them. I know I pass them. They don't know they go they pretend. Me even know I pass them. When I ever they do my find my watch hour, I know say I even know many things past many people, but they just they pretend. But I don't look at those one. Even the people who mock me, I thank you now, still appreciate now. Sometimes they say the verse they watch my video. When they continue they watch me, I still appreciate them. If I don't see watch, I don't see get that viewer. I don't even see reach 100. But see me now, only on sometimes they give 100, 150, 200. My brothers and sisters, these people when else they knew they come, now when they knew they come, I not give up. Even though na 50 viewers when I get, but now they do. And so far, more they watch people with una art, and people go see they watch you now. Even though na 20 view you get, even though na out of that 100 view, if na 20 people watch your video with their good hearts, my brothers and sisters, you go see money for that video. You go see money day. You go see her. But see, I thank God for my life, and I thank God for what He don't do for me. Who be me? Who be Lovette Family TV? Under 3 months, I get my 1,000. I monetize. I still get my good AdSense. You see? I remember I take me picture. He reached to celebrate. You know, she say, Bini de me parable say, un horaire gie obokpa daiji head when go wear crown. Nobody go bring her down. You see, God already bless me. I already move on. I already they go. I thank all my subscribers because now the few one way they come, they watch my video. Now they make me reach where I did today. I see they appreciate you now. God go bless you now. Beg, man, not still rest too. I still dey there. And Lovette family is still they come. I'm still coming. I will still try my best. I know say I'm not perfect. I don't know anything, my brother and sister, but I know I will get there. I'm still going. I know say one day God He will still take me higher. As He does start perfect work for my life, He will never leave me down. He will never bring me down. As He already starts to lift me higher. Under 3 months, who I go say, they know they believe me. Now February 26. Mona go look my video. The video want to start YouTube. I don't very open the YouTube, but I don't the operator. But the video one says, okay, me I just start this my YouTube. Now my son when they play band for church. Now be my first video when I start this year for YouTube, and God come to bless me. I thank God, and I thank all those who see they watch my video, even though it good or it not good, they see they watch am. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate my friends. I appreciate my YouTube friends. People when they will still drop and they go there, they see they come, they watch me. Now God will bless you now. All my subscribers, now God will bless you now. And now make me reach where I did today. If not be now, I for not reach here. I for no reach here. If you never they watch that my 100 subscribers one they get, 100 view one they get, I for no reach here. Oh, I for no reach here. Now God will bless you now. I still appreciate. I see they anytime I they do live video, anytime when they upload video, I go continue to appreciate this my two beautiful ladies. When they be my backbone. They be my backbone. They take me, even though they see say Lovette. More continue, and our God go continue to bless us. As I see my own, I'm not worry. More video are coming. They will still show their own. They will still show their own. I'm not worry. Now surprise. We're gonna surprise our enemy. We're gonna surprise them because God already bless us. And I don't want to make this video long. Maybe coming for still watch. I made them learn. Say never give up in anything you are doing, even though people mock you. Never give up. Thank you guys. I want just end the video. So make people see help me watch. I'm gonna see share around. As soon as they share my video, I'm gonna see they continue to share around. If today is your first time of come across this video, please subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified. Guys, let me tell you, please do not give up. Keep pushing. Keep on pushing. Never give up. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Bye bye.